Welcome to my channel. Let's say more English.
Hi, do you have a minute?
Sure, what's going on?
I'm having a small birthday dinner at my house tomorrow.
Oh, nice. Who is it for?
It's for my mom. There will be 10 of us all together.
That sounds nice. Are you getting everything ready?
I'm trying to. I just realized I don't have enough places for everyone to sit and eat.
Oh, how many chairs are you short?
6. I only have 4 dining chairs.
I think I can help. I have 6 folding chairs in the garage.
That's actually what I wanted to ask you about. Do you have any folding tables, too?
I do. I have 2 folding tables.
That would be perfect. Would you mind if I borrowed the tables and chairs?
Not at all. You can borrow both tables and all 6 chairs.
Thanks. I really appreciate it. I thought about buying some, but I only need them for one day.
Then borrowing them makes a lot more sense. I bought mine for family gatherings too.
How big are the tables?
One is about 6 feet long. The other is about 4 feet.
I was hoping one table would be enough.
The 6-foot table seats about 6 people comfortably.
Oh, then I'll need both.
Probably. The smaller one can seat about 4.
Perfect. 6 at one table and 4 at the other.
That should work well.
Do both tables fold up?
Yes, the large one folds in half and the legs fold under the smaller one.
Are they heavy?
The small one is pretty light. The large one is a little heavier.
Do you think I can carry the large one by myself?
Probably, but I can help you load it into your car tomorrow.
Thanks. That would be helpful. Does the large one have a handle?
Yes, there's a handle on the side when it's folded.
Great. I'm planning to bring my car over.
Then you should be fine. Fold the back seats down and both tables should fit.
I can put the chairs next to them.
Exactly. The chairs fold pretty flat, so they won't take up much room.
What time should I come by?
Any time after 10 tomorrow morning is fine.
How about 11?
11 works. I'll have everything ready.
Thanks. Is there anything I should know about setting up the tables?
Make sure the legs open all the way and lock into place.
How do I know they're locked?
Give the table a gentle push. The legs should stay firmly in place.
Okay, I'll check them before we use them.
Good. And make sure each table is completely open before you put anything heavy on it.
Got it. Are the chairs easy to open?
Very easy. Open them all the way and make sure they feel steady.
Sounds simple enough.
It is. I would still check each one before someone sits down.
The dinner will be on my back patio if the weather is nice.
That's fine. I use them outside sometimes too.
Is it okay to put them directly on the patio?
Yes, that's fine. Just try to keep them dry.
The forecast looks good, but there might be rain late tomorrow night.
Then I'd bring everything inside after dinner.
Definitely. I wasn't planning to leave anything outside overnight.
Good. A little water is fine, but I don't like leaving them out in the rain.
I'll wipe them down if anything gets spilled.
Thanks. I'd appreciate that.
How long can I keep everything?
Keep them overnight and bring them back Sunday morning.
Oh, okay. I thought you might need them back tomorrow night.
No, not at all. Sunday morning is fine.
Would around 10 work?
10 works for me.
Great. I'll bring back both tables and all 6 chairs then.
Perfect. Fold everything up first, and they'll be easier to carry.
I'll take good care of them.
I know you will.
What should I do if one of the chairs feels loose?
Don't use it. Set it aside and let me know.
What if there's a problem with one of the tables?
Same thing. Don't try to fix it. Just tell me what happened.
Got it. Hopefully everything will be fine.
I'm sure it will. They're all in good shape.
This really helps me out. I was worried about where everyone was going to sit.
I'm glad I could help.
Thanks again for lending me everything.
Of course. I hope your mom has a great birthday dinner.
Thanks. She'll be happy to have everyone together.
I'm sure she will. I'll see you around 11 tomorrow.
Sounds good. See you tomorrow.